6 a.m. in the morning. And Abby needs to leave. He needs to travel 2 hours and 20 minutes, 2.5 hours.
Bye.
Sorry, Daddy. Ang dilim pa. Alas 6 ng umaga, pero meron ng gising. Merong sasakyan. And may chicken si Anna. Dito tayo bibili. Mas malapit kasi dito kaysa dun sa kabila. Bibili ako ngayon ng chicken dahil yung sabi ko sa anak ko, yung ulam namin para sa tanghalian ay fried chicken. Mabilis ang paghahanda lang ito ng aking chicken. Pagkatapos nito ay aalis na din ako dahil kailangan kong sunduin yung aking anak dahil ngayong araw ay doon sila nag-practice ng kanilang sayaw sa venue kung saan gaganapin yung program nila bukas. So ito, nagmamadali lang ako para hindi ako malate sa pagsundo kay Mishka.
Look at you, you with your emerald eyes like fields of green I've never seen before. They take my breath away. I'm not one to lose my words, but baby, I don't know what to say. You can't begin to imagine what it's like, the way you make me feel so seen and scared at the same time. It's hard to believe that you're mine, 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 oh mine.
Pagbalik na lang namin, tsaka ko siya piprituhin. Dito yung venue ng program nila ni Mishka bukas. Oh, good job. Good job, princess. Magluto tayo ng ulam. Let's have chicken kebab.
Mayong aga.
Ngayong aga, kain tayo. Ako naman yung kakain. Meron ako ditong sausawan, of course. Pinoy tayo. Hindi ganun kadami yung kinain ni Mishka kasi kumain siya ng ban. So, ang dali niyang nabusog agad-agad. Kain tayo. Naman? Gusto niya yung aking sausawan. Matutulog na kami sana, pero itong isang bata gusto pang kumain ng watermelon. Alas 3 na, hindi pa ito nakatulog. Why do you want to eat watermelon now, huh?
I like it.
You want big one?
Yeah.
Or you want me to cut it like cubes? You want long one or?
No, but
Gusto niya yung ganito lang, mahaba. You want more or this is enough?
more.
Yummy? Thank you, baby. So sweet.
If you were a mountain, then I'd be the sun. I'd keep you warm the whole day long. Tuck you in when nighttime comes. I'll always be with you, my love. If you were a lovebird, then I'd be the breeze. I'd take you wherever your feathers please. Only warm winds under your wings. I'll always be with you, my love. I'll love you forever through.
May naiisip na naman ako na gagawin sa aking buhok. Gusto kong magbawas dito lang sa unahan. Yung sa likod kasi gusto kong i-maintain na mahaba yung sa likod ko. May nag-comment na isa na mag-new hair din daw ako kasi nga si Mishka new hair. Pero sa ngayon, ayokong magpa-iksi talaga ng buhok. Ako kasi guys, meron akong time na gusto ko mahaba yung buhok ko. So, pahahabain ko yung buhok ko. And may time din na gusto ko maiksi yung buhok ko. So, minsan kahit gaano pa kahaba yung aking buhok, if feel ko na magpagupit ng maiksi, magpapaiksi talaga ako ng buhok. Pero ngayon, this year, gusto ko na mahaba yung aking buhok. Kasi recently, meron akong mga throwback pictures nung engagement namin ni Abhi. Pre-wedding photoshoot pala namin ni Abhi. And yun yung time na sobrang mahaba talaga yung buhok mo na parang feeling ko taga dito yun, yung haba. Then after nun, nagpa-iksi ako ng sobrang iksi ng buhok. So gusto kong magpahaba ulit ngayon ng buhok. And gusto ko lang siya na para lang maiba yung look ko is gusto ko yung magbawas sa unahan. Parang slash sa atin. Hindi ako pupunta sa salon ngayon. Kasi dito guys, ilang beses na ako nagpagupit sa salon na iba yung gusto kong peg na pinakita ko din sa kanila kung ano yung itsura ng gusto ko, yung picture, ganyan. Pero yung ending talaga, hindi siya yung kagaya sa iniisip ko na magiging result ng aking haircut. Pero ako kasi guys, hindi ako yung reklamador na customer na konting mali lang magre-reklamo ako or magagalit ako. Kapag nagupit na nila yung buhok mo, wala ka nang magagawa, diba? So ngayon, ayoko magpagupit sa salon. Gusto ko na ako lang kasi kung ano lang yung gusto ko sa buhok ko, yun lang yung gagawin ko. So yung babawasan ko lang is yung sa unahan lang. Dumaan din ako sa panahon dati na mahilig ako sa side bangs. So this time, gusto ko siyang gawin ulit. Kuntian muna natin. Para wag tayo masyadong ma-shock sa result. Oh, wow! Diba? Wait lang. Iklian pa natin yan mamaya. Dahil wala si Abhi ngayon dito, masu-surprise siya pagdating niya na meron na tayong bangs. Tinaon ko pa talaga na may program sila ni Mishka bukas. Oh, wow! Ah, diba? Pag pumalpak ito, lagot tayo. Bukas may program tayong aatinan. Okay na ba yan? Ito. Ah, diba? Meron na tayong side bangs. Tapos yung ending, bukas pagsisisihan natin to.
Jeremy sat on a blue box, read him some of my new poems. Delilah snapped the shutter on her new camera. We were frozen, old statues taking time for sweeter things in life. Not sure we've ever had kind of time again. Looking back, flipping pages, waiting for the sun to come up. Thinking back, it's been ages, didn't know what we would give up. A day for building forts and trees, sing a song to the buzzing bees. Hop on our bikes, head down to the store to buy candy. Let it melt there on our tongues. Laugh till we felt it in our lungs. Not sure we've ever had that kind of time again. Looking back, flipping pages, waiting for the sun to come up. Thinking back, it's been ages, didn't know what we would give up. Was it a dream, my love? Remember me,
Yeah? Yes, Mimi?
just as I was.
Huh? Daddy will come later pala, Black. Not now. Yan. So, ito lang yung gusto ko, guys. Konting update lang ba? Oh, be careful! Ayoko yung, pati yung sa likuran, gupitan. Kasi gusto ko nga siyang pahabain. Ayan. Diba? New look na tayo for tomorrow. Diba? We'll see mamaya if manotice ni Abhi na merong changes sa ating hair. Meron akong bangs. Ito yung mga peg ko dati nung high school, college, may bangs. What you will do? You want to play outside? Gusto nang mag-play sa labas ng aking anak.
Mama, I need a comb.
Hmm?
Mama, I want to have like this.
You want to hold like this? Okay. Okay.
I want also.
You want also? Okay. Don't move. Other side. Now it's done. See. Okay. Let's go out for play. Get your hair clip. Sobrang daling papaniwalain. Oh, you feed golden orange first, love. Let's go, Mimi. Kasi mas ka nagluso niyang uminom ng coconut water. Okay, sit down there. Nag-walking kasi kami, guys. Happy na siya, nakakain na siya ng coconut jelly niya. Walking kami ni Mishka doon sa labas. Tapos yung kaibigan ko, nag-walking din sila. And naglaro yung mga kids namin. Tapos may nauwi akong chiko. Kasi yung plato ko na to sa kanya, nung birthday ni Mishka, pinadalhan ko ng pagkain. Lutuin ko na lang yung natira ko kanina na marinated chicken. Tapos kanina iniisip ko na i-air fryer ko nga ito. Kasi kumakain ako kanina, tapos sabi ko para healthy, i-air fryer ko siya. Kaya lang ngayon, tinamad na ako mag-air fryer. Kasi meron pa akong mantika dito. Kailangan ko siyang ubusin. Next time, itatry ko na talaga na air fryer yung gamitin ko sa pagluto nitong chicken kebab. Hindi ko pa siya na-try. Kasi nasanay ako na nagpiprito-prito. Next time pala, i-air fryer ko na siya. Tandaan natin yan. Huwag natin kalimutan. Makakalimutin tayo. Meron palang air fryer. Excited na kami na tomorrow na yung dance performance nila ni Mishka, guys. At hindi din mapakali. Kain tayo. Meron akong sausawan. And ang yung isa mag-share daw sa akin. Do you like mommy's sauce, how?
Yeah.
Yung luto ko ngayon, mas malinamnam siya kasi matagal siyang na-marinate. Yung kanina, hindi masyado. Mas masarap siya ngayon. So, have you dip here? You wanna try? Should I put your sauce here?
Yeah. Huh?
Because mommy is also eating.
But I don't know how to eat.
Huh? In school, you are eating by yourself. What after mom said today?
Let me help you feed you.
10, 15. Look at me, Bella.
What? What? You done haircut? By yourself or you been to salon?
Yes, by myself.
By yourself?
You
could have gone to salon, Bella.
Because they cannot really do what I want, Bella. Most of the time. How's this?
Nice. I thought it is because like your hands are messy because you're sleeping. You're done by yourself.
How's this?
You could have gone to some salon also, right?
It's fine. I said that if it will not turn out good, then I will go salon. But if it's okay, then no need to go to salon.
Good.
Did you get something for me? No pasalubong.
It was closed. Everything.
Okay.
Please like our channel. Subscribe.